Today we are going to learn how to insert a code snippet into your PowerPoint presentation. First, you need to locate and launch the PowerPoint application on your computer. Once the application is open, allow a few moments for it to load completely so you can see all your options and files clearly on the screen. After launching PowerPoint, navigate to the presentation you wish to edit. This might be a file you have been working on for some time, or a new project you are about to start. Opening the presentation will enable you to see the slide layout and where you might want to insert your code snippet for best visual impact and clarity. The next step involves accessing the source code that you intend to include in your presentation. It is important that you have your code ready, whether it is stored in your integrated development environment or in a text file on your computer. Opening your source code now will ensure that the code is fresh in your mind and ready for capture at the appropriate level of detail. This step is crucial whether you are presenting a short segment or a longer piece of code, since clarity is key when sharing technical information. Once you have located your source code, the subsequent task is to open your snipping tool. This built-in utility is designed to help you capture screenshots of specific areas on your screen easily. Using the snipping tool will allow you to visually capture the code snippet without any unnecessary elements around it, resulting in a clean image that works well within your presentation. Make sure the code is fully visible and formatted neatly on your screen before capturing it. With your source code displayed and your snipping tool ready, you now need to capture the code snippet by copying it. Use the keyboard command control and the letter C together, which is a standard way to copy the selected area or text in most applications. This simple action ensures that the precise area you have chosen is stored in your computer's clipboard, making it available for pasting into your presentation without altering the original design of your code. Now that the code snippet is successfully copied, return to your PowerPoint presentation. You can switch applications easily by using your taskbar, or by minimizing the snipping tool if it remains in the foreground. This transition back to your presentation is important as it ensures that you can place the snippet directly where you want it to appear on your slide. Finally, with the presentation active and the clipboard holding your copied code snippet, you should insert the image into your slide by using the paste function. Pressing Ctrl and the letter V at the same time will paste the captured code snippet into your slide. Once pasted, you may click on the snippet to adjust its position or resize it as necessary to ensure that it fits well with the rest of your slide content. By following this clear sequence of actions, you are now able to incorporate code screenshots directly into your PowerPoint slides. This method is both efficient and visually clean, ensuring your technical content is displayed accurately to your audience. Enjoy presenting your enhanced slide deck with the integrated code snippet, knowing that you have successfully merged technical detail with professional presentation techniques.